A family business proudly serving New Jersey. We don't rush. We don't cut corners. We treat every home like it's our own. We don't just fix systems, we install new ones. Heating, cooling, ventilation for your home and your business. Reliability, honesty, and the kind of care you only get from family. We create comfort that lasts for years to come. Every connection matters. Every detail counts. Because lasting comfort starts with work done right. Platinum HVAC, your air, your home, your team.